Overhand, right arm up, here we go, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and now turn to underhand, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Up, across, and back and down. With your right arm, I'm mirroring. We're gonna go up to the side, and then cross, and then back across, and hold, 2, 3, and down. And then up, and cross, and back, and hold, 2, 3, and down. And up, and cross, and back, and hold, 2, 3, down. Up, and cross, and back, and hold, 2, 3, down. And fifth set, up, 2, 3, cross, 2, 3, back, 2, 3, hold, 2, 3, down. And sixth time, up, and cross, cross back, hold, 2, 3, and down. 7, up, and cross back, hold, 2, 3, down. And last set, up, and cross, 2, 3, back, 2, 3, hold, 2, 3, down. And shake it out. Woo, woo! Up, and 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now we're going to turn to overhand on the right. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so we'll do 7 in underhand, 7 in overhand, and then we'll do 14 swivels. Okay, right arm up. Here we go, in underhand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to swivel to overhand on the right, and 7, and 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we're going to do the swivel. 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 more, 6 more, 5 more, 4 more, 3 more, 2 more, and last one.